All right, we're starting off with a container of our cheesecake no bake. On the bottom of our 9 by 13, we're just gonna kind of flatten that out for a second, and then we're gonna come in with our extra cherry pie filling. Now you can use whatever pie filling you like, but I just thought cherry was perfect for the occasion. This is great for a beautiful summer dessert. June is around the corner and I am ready for it. Now I'm gonna mix these two together so that they are fully combined. This smells absolutely incredible. The cheesecake with the cherries, I mean, it doesn't get any better than that. I absolutely love these two flavors together, but you could do a strawberry, a blueberry, a lemon, an apple, but I think that this is gonna be a hit for my party. And we're gonna go ahead and smooth that out now that it is nicely mixed together. You could add another can of pie filling to make it more proportional, but I think this is gonna be great. And we just wanna make sure that this is nice and smooth before we add our next ingredient. Yum. And that next ingredient is no other than Dolly Parton's sugar cookie mix. Yep, you heard that right. And we're gonna add this whole cookie mix right on top of our cheesecake and pie filling. Oh, and I know I've done multiple versions of this, but this one is definitely my favorite. I love using sugar cookie mix instead of cake mix for this easy dessert, and we are spreading that out. We don't need to mix it in. We don't need to use any eggs. We don't need to use any oil. We are just flattening that out like we did with the filling to make sure that we have a nice top layer. Right, covering everything up just beautifully. Perfect. Now, of course, we do need some butter to make sure that we get a nice crispy top on our dessert, and we cut our butter into little slices, and we're gonna place that all throughout our pan. This is gonna be so delicious. I'm using the salted butter, but you can use unsalted if you want a little bit less sodium, but we're gonna use about 1.5 sticks, and this is a full stick. It's just one of those chubbier ones, which is why it looks smaller than it is, but this is 1/2 cup. And we're using that just like so. And I have my other slices on the side, and we're just gonna quickly place these just like so, evenly spacing them out so that everything gets nice and covered. And these are pretty thin slices, just like so, so keep that in mind. And that is it. We're gonna put this in the oven at 375 for 45 minutes. All right, we took our dessert out of the oven and it's cooling. Now I'm gonna come in with my heavy whipping cream because we need some topping for this easy dessert. And I'm using this whole bottle, which is 16 ounces of heavy whipping cream. And then we just need a little bit of powdered sugar, and you can add as much or as little as you like depending on how sweet you want it. But I'm gonna add about a cup of powdered sugar to that 16 ounces of heavy cream. And then the optional ingredient is some vanilla bean paste, but we're gonna add a little bit of that. You can use regular vanilla if that's all you have, but 3-ingredient whipped topping is ready. We have our hand mixer, which is essential to making this get nice and fluffy and delicious, better than Cool Whip. And we're just whipping this together until it is fully fluffed up, fully combined. We want to make sure we don't have any of those little powdered sugar bits. You can sift your powdered sugar, but I wanted this to be nice, easy, and fast. So let's do this. Oh my, that came together in seconds. It was about 1 minute and 30 seconds. Ooh, got a little crazy there, but this is how we want it to look. Super thick, super delicious. We are gonna put this in the fridge until our dessert is fully chilled. Oh my, this smells absolutely insane. All right, it is time to dig in. It looks perfectly crispy. Oh yeah. Oh, that cheesecake. Get that right into our bowl. And then of course, we have to get in with our homemade whipped cream and add a scoop of that on top. Oh, I'm excited for this. Oh, steamy and ready.
Is it good?
Oh my goodness. Wow. That sugar cookie, the cheesecake, the cherries, the homemade whipped cream. I could eat this every day.